some raw peanuts at home. I'm going to take them out of the shell and roast them and then milk out of it. I got some of them out of the shell. Now let's roast it. Peanuts in the pan, and I have a tiny bit of oil in the pan because I do not want the peanut to get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Let's make some magic. I still feel this. Let's see. It turned brown because it had the skin on. The skin was too glued to the peanut. So let's taste this. It definitely tastes nice. It does feel like you're drinking the liquid of peanut butter. That's how it feels.